The universe is a vast and complex place. It's filled with billions upon billions of stars, planets, and galaxies. Each one is unique, with its own story to tell, and yet, they are all connected, bound together by the fundamental laws of physics. Just like the cosmos, data can be vast and complex. Every day we generate an astronomical amount of it. This data comes from our phones, our computers, our cars, even our bodies. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by this deluge of information. But within this sea of numbers lies a hidden universe waiting to be explored. The key to unlocking the secrets of data lies in understanding its multidimensionality. Imagine a single star in the night sky. Viewed in isolation, it's just a point of light. But when we consider its distance, its size, its temperature, and its composition, we begin to see it as part of a larger system, a cosmic dance of matter and energy. Similarly, data points are not isolated entities. They exist in relation to one another, connected by invisible threads of cause and effect. By analyzing data in multiple dimensions, we can begin to see these connections, to understand the underlying patterns and relationships that shape our world. The human body is a marvel of complexity. It's a symphony of interconnected systems, each one influencing and being influenced by the others. To understand health and disease, we need to look beyond individual symptoms and consider the whole person. This is where multidimensional data analysis becomes essential. By integrating data from electronic health records, genetic testing, wearable devices, and environmental sensors, we can create a more complete picture of an individual's health. Imagine a doctor trying to diagnose a patient with a complex condition. Instead of relying solely on the patient's symptoms and medical history, the doctor can now access a wealth of data about their genetic predispositions, lifestyle choices, and environmental exposures. With this multidimensional view, the doctor can identify potential risk factors, make more accurate diagnoses, and develop personalized treatment plans. This is the power of multidimensional data in action, transforming healthcare from a reactive to a proactive and preventative endeavor. The financial markets are a swirling vortex of data. Stock prices fluctuate by the second, influenced by a dizzying array of factors. To succeed in this volatile environment, investors and analysts need to make sense of the chaos. Multidimensional data analysis provides the tools to navigate this complex landscape. By considering a wide range of variables, economic indicators, company performance metrics, social media sentiment, and even weather patterns, analysts can identify trends, assess risks, and make more informed investment decisions. Imagine a financial analyst evaluating a potential investment opportunity. By analyzing multidimensional data, they can move beyond traditional financial statements and delve into alternative data sources, such as satellite imagery of shipping routes or social media posts about consumer preferences. This holistic approach allows them to uncover hidden patterns and gain a competitive edge in the marketplace. In the world of finance, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, multidimensional data analysis is the key to navigating the stars and charting a course for success. Section 4. The social tapestry weaving insights from interconnected lives. We live in an interconnected world. Our lives are woven together by a complex web of relationships, social structures, and cultural influences. To understand human behavior and societal trends, we need to look beyond individual actions and consider the broader social context. Multidimensional data analysis allows us to map these connections and unravel the tapestry of human interaction. By analyzing data from social media, surveys, census records, and other sources, we can gain insights into everything from consumer behavior to political polarization. Imagine a team of social scientists studying the spread of misinformation online. By analyzing multidimensional data, including the content of social media posts, the network of users who share them, and demographic information about those users, they can identify the factors that contribute to the virality of false information. This knowledge can then be used to develop strategies to combat misinformation and promote a more informed and engaged public. In a world grappling with complex social challenges, Multidimensional data analysis offers a powerful tool for understanding ourselves and building a better future. Section 5. Seeing the unseen. Visualizing the multidimensional world. Our brains are wired to process visual information. We're naturally drawn to patterns and relationships that we can see, but when it comes to multidimensional data, the sheer volume and complexity can be overwhelming. This is where data visualization comes in. By representing data visually, we can make the complex comprehensible. Charts, graphs, maps, and other visualization tools allow us to explore multidimensional data, identify trends, and communicate insights in a way that's both informative and engaging. Imagine a scientist studying the effects of climate change. By visualizing data on temperature, precipitation, and sea level rise, they can see the impact of climate change on a global scale. They can also zoom in on specific regions to see how climate change is affecting local ecosystems and communities. Visualization transforms data from abstract numbers into tangible stories. It allows us to see the unseen, to grasp complex relationships, and to communicate insights in a way that's both powerful and persuasive. Section 6. The perils of flattened perspectives, what we miss in a one-dimensional world. In a world obsessed with simplification, it's tempting to reduce complex issues to single variables. But this flattened perspective can lead to misleading conclusions and flawed decision-making. Imagine trying to understand the performance of a car by focusing solely on its engine size. While engine size is important, it tells us nothing about the car's handling, fuel efficiency, or safety features. To get a complete picture, we need to consider all of these factors and how they interact. The same is true for understanding the world around us. When we ignore the multidimensionality of data, we risk missing crucial insights and making decisions based on incomplete information. We might misdiagnose a patient, misjudge a market trend, or misinterpret a social phenomenon. In a world of ever-increasing complexity, the ability to think multidimensionally is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Section 7. Embracing complexity, illuminating the future. The universe is a complex and wondrous place. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything is connected, everything interacts. By embracing the multidimensionality of data, we can begin to unlock the secrets of this interconnectedness. Multidimensional data analysis isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about seeing the world in all its complexity, about understanding the interconnectedness of systems, and about using that knowledge to make better decisions and solve complex problems. As we generate more and more data, the need for multidimensional thinking will only become more acute. By developing the tools, techniques, and mindsets to embrace complexity, we can illuminate the future and unlock a universe of possibilities.